everyone, welcome back to Junk Funk. Today I'm making home decor products. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button below and subscribe to the channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Craftmosphere. They have their page on Instagram. Please follow them on Instagram to get handmade products customized. So first product is DIY succulent planters. So you'll need some glass containers, soil, pebbles and succulent plants. It's a very easy step. Take your glass containers, fill them with pebbles, add soil to them and then just cut the stem of your succulent. I'm using the bulb leaf succulent. I don't know what its other name is, and this time spraying it with water. We are not using larger containers, so our stem of the succulent should be smaller because these are meant for keeping inside the home, so they don't require a lot of maintenance, but they have to be applied on a smaller container and of smaller size. And you can customize it into any glass containers you like, and it adds really good environment inside the house, and it adds as a very beautiful home decor products, that too very natural product. And it can be made by reusing the old glassware containers in the home lying around, and hence it can be customized according to the needs. And it can also be customized in any plastic or any of the containers. It can be kept on any corner of the house, window panes, balconies, tables, center tables, rooms, anywhere. And I added few more glasses with succulents, and it added a very good positive vibes in the home. Second is DIY pyramid frame. So you'll need kebab sticks, strong glue, masking tape, acrylic paint, brush and waxed paper. And let's start. So here I have already cut down the sharp parts of the kebab sticks, and I'm taking total 6 sticks. Now I'm arranging into a triangle over a waxed paper like this, into equilateral triangle form. I'm adding a masking tape so that they remain at their places like this, as shown in the video here. Now when they are arranged and masking tape has been put up, now just take your hot glue gun or any strong glue and add a drop of it on 3 corners so that they are tightly stuck to each other. Now to make the top parts, vertical part of the pyramid, taking 3 more sticks and adding glue on the corners like this. You can take help of any other person as well if anybody is around. And now just very carefully apply the glue on the top portion. It may not look very neat, but that's alright. It will get covered when it's done. And now just after it's dried, the glue dries very fast. Since it's a hot glue, I'm removing the masking tape. Now use acrylic paint of any shade. I'm using black since it's give frame to any of the thing. Now just paint it like this. It does not require any skill to paint. You just need to cover all the edges with paint. You can use any color. You can use even the spray paint if you're not it's not easy for you to apply paint with brushes. So this is how it looks. Let it dry for some time and it's just ready for use. Now I'm using the succulent I made, and it's just giving a very good frame to my succulent plants. And it can be used anywhere with any product, and it gives a very good frame to the product. To make DIY stationery stand, you will need wooden blocks, cardboard, stencil letters, paint, brushes, scissors, etc. And to begin with, I'm using these 3D letters. I got them online. I'll link it down below. I'm just gluing it on my wooden board, which was a scrap material, like this. And after that, I'm just taking a the cardboard, and I'm marking the sides of it because I want to create a box behind that. And so just I'm marking it like this, marking the edges which I just missed, and after that I'll just cut it down using pair of scissors. Now after it's done, I'm using the back part of the paper cutter so that I can just make it fold very easily. I'm cutting the side edges. You can see it's very clear in the video, I suppose. Now I'm just making it in a box-like structure which is not covered from the top, like this. To make it stick faster, I'm using hot glue here. You can use any other glue or tape or masking tape, whatever is convenient to you. Now I just applied masking tape so that it gives me clean edges. Now I'm just applying a coat of white paint so that it adds like a primer on the wooden surface, and I'll just let it dry. I'm applying it on all the sides. Now I'm adding a coat of blue over it, and after that I'll just let it dry for some time and it's done. To make donut pillowcase and t-shirt, you'll need white t-shirt, white pillowcase and t-shirt transfer sheets, which I'm linking it down below on the description box. So you just need to print your graphic on the t-shirt transfer paper from an inkjet printer and leave a order of white like this as shown in the video here. Now iron your fabric wherever you want to print and just place your graphic inverted as shown in the video here. Just keep it pressed for about 20 seconds without moving it, and just move the iron and just keep it for like 10 more seconds. Now don't keep it for very long, and just I am marking the heat on the edges so that it does not get distorted from the edge. Now just let it cool completely for 10 minutes and be very patient. When it cools down, very slowly and calmly just remove the white paper from it, and the print will be very good and very perfect on the fabric as shown here. And this is my donut t-shirt and it's ready, and you can see it's a very clean print over here. Similarly, for the pillowcase, I printed a large donut and I just ironed it and I just removed it from that, and this is how I made the pillow cover as well. And I know t-shirt is not a home decor product, I just added it because I just missed the video of the donut pillowcase, and I really hope you like the products. Please comment down below which one was your favorite. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos. If you remake any product, please tag me on my social media accounts, and you can watch other videos on my channel as well. You can comment down below any of the product you would like to see on the video. Till then, keep watching, stay tuned, bye bye, thank you. And don't forget, I upload videos on every Sunday. Bye.